Hey everyone, how are you? It's Michael. I wanted to come on and do a quick little video to basically plug two brands that I really love to use in my mini album work. Each of them have a deal going on at the moment, so stick around till the end to hear about those. But this is a little mini album that I just made. It is from Your Book of Memories. It's called the Polk-a-Dot Mini Album. It is a really fast album to make, and it is free. So I will leave a link below, but Francis Long from Your Book of Memories has a total, it's about a 1-hour tutorial on how to make this album. You can watch it for free. She gives you the cut list, everything. And I wanted to show you how I made this little album. So Frances has her tutorial, and then I took it and I did one little thing a little bit different. I added something. And the papers that I used are all digital papers from KCS Designs by Kim. I am on Kim's design team. So when I saw that Francis posted this video for the free album, I was like, you know what? Let me make the album. Let me use Kim's papers to decorate it and to show you guys what can be done, not very expensively. Okay, if you're new to album making or you're curious about it, this is a great little album to put your toe into the pool to see how hot it is. Anyone can make this album, okay? So let me take you through it. The album holds, well, I think Francis's album holds 25 photos, and the way I have mine set up, you can fit 20, this space is for 26 photos, but there's a pocket here and there that you can also add additional stuff. So I did my double cover routine. I like to do this on all of my mini albums now. I have a video that I show you how I do this. I'll link it down below or up here if I can figure out how to do that. And I know I say that in every video. So I used papers from 4 of the collections from Kim, KCS Designs by Kim. So the cover here, this is from the collection called Mixed Media Flowers. It's really a collection for junk journaling, but I love to print the papers and then use them in albums that are not a typical junk journal, to show people how to get more out of what you're paying for out there, right? So I did this with the flowers. I put Dream here using some Scrabble tiles that I picked up on AliExpress. The back and the spine are from the Mixed Media Black Junk Journal paper collection. I stuck with papers that all kind of had, even though there's colors in some of the papers, there is black intertwined, so I knew it would all go together very well. So opening this up, we have a pocket here on the front with some inserts. Okay, so this is from the Quirkly Circles 1 junk journal paper collection. This is the Mixed Media Black. And this over here is also from the Circles collection, I'm pretty sure. So you have space here for 2 photos. I left this alone for someone to just put whatever photos they want there if they want to. The inserts here, this is 2 photos here. And I did this using 2 different collections. And then this is a cute little flip up for some 2-inch by 2-inch photos that can just slip in there. And then these are 2 other tall, I didn't put a camera stamp here because I thought maybe someone would want to write something about what's in the album. So I mixed these over here. This closes like that. You flip it over. We have a pocket here. This paper, this is from Gelli Dreams Junk Journal. And The reason I love this design, and this is another design that can be done the same way. I love it when I can cut a slit into the paper to make some kind of fun. Let me grab a ruler here. So I cut the slits here, and this way you can slip photos under there. And then I have this little booklet here that can either slip in here. It's kind of like a belly band. It's a funky belly band. Okay, so it can slip like that. Or we can have one side going down and the other one stays on top, so you're hiding the whole image here. There is plenty of room here to add a few others if the person wants to, okay? And then for this side, when I printed this design, I printed it as a mirror, so it will print the opposite direction so that I could have this image going all the way around. We have a little pocket here that holds a couple of inserts. So we have one photo mat here. We have another photo mat here for 2 photos. And then we have a little photo mat here also. So this is the mixed media black. This is the Quirkly Circles 1. This is the Gelli Dreams junk journal, and this is the mixed media flowers. And I kind of feel like they all kind of go together. And I also love to do this because you don't have to go and buy a collection with the journaling cards and everything mixes and matches. This is kind of abstract. It's kind of artsy fartsy. So this page flips open and we have room for 6 more photos of different sizes. And I just filled in the sizes, the spaces here with some scraps. And these are all made to be removed, and then the photo will be adhered down to the book. Or the person can adhere the white and then use the white as a border if they so choose, but that's up to them. So then flipping over on this side, we have 2 more photos here, and this is from the Quirkly Circles, I believe. And then on the back page, we have a little flip up here, and this is a very tall pocket, and I added this booklet. This is for 2 4x6 photos, and this can actually slip into the pocket, or it can stay over the pocket like that with the top coming down. I added a photo here, and this is what? This is the, I think, the Gelli Dreams, and I have a 4x6 photo here. Now, what I changed on this is when you watch the video tutorial with Francis, this I believe is page 2. I added this whole page here because her tutorial only shows with 1 page, and then she has one of these as a second page. But I realized that the spine is kind of big enough to have 2 pages in here. So just to add a few more photos, I added the second page. I also wanted to do this kind of mirroring, so I had to play around with that idea. And there's room in here for more photos. There's room here for photos. There's room here for more photos. So now the deals are, Your Book of Memories has a coupon. It is 25% off your first month. Francis has a monthly, I'm lost for words, a monthly subscription. She has, I think, almost 100 videos on how to make albums and folios, and a really cool square ornament mini, in a way. You can hang it on a Christmas tree. Anyway, she has a monthly subscription, and she's offering 25% off the first month. The coupon code is all for me to see, ALL capitalized, the number 4, ME capitalized, the number 2, and the letter C, capitalized. The coupon code will be below. Now, today is July 21st, 2025. The coupon code is active now. Will it be active in 2 years? I don't know. Okay, so just so you know, the coupon code is good today and probably through the rest of the month, if not a little bit longer. Anyway, check her out. 25% off. You can look at as many videos as you want. You can make as many albums as you want during the month. It's a great deal. And if you love all of these digital papers, okay, KCS Designs by Kim, who has an Etsy store, is offering 45% off everything in the store through July 31st, 2025. So today is July 21st, so you have about 10 days. No coupon needed. Just go onto her Etsy store. I will leave a link below and check everything out. And if you love digital junk journals and digital overlays and clip art and things like that, you may even want to follow her. But all the information will be below for the album tutorial, for all the papers. If I can find the link to Ali for the Scrabble tiles, I will do that also. I don't think we have Scrabble here in Brazil, so this was a dream to get my hands on. And that's about it. I would love to know what you guys think of this, what you think of the papers, what you think of the album. Leave a comment below. I think we have ghosts. We probably have ghosts. Thank you so much for stopping by. Please like this video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell to be notified when I have the next video coming out. And I appreciate you stopping by my channel today. Thank you so much, everyone. Take care.